Hello everybody, I'm going to do a review of the SOG Ninja Day Pack here. This makes it a good camping or bug out bag, and there's some pictures of it. It has a lot of the molly type fittings here where you can just strap your stuff through here and then buckle it up. And also you have one on the sides here, your bottle holder right here. It's elastic. You can run a tube through here, what that is. And both sides have that. And up here is a little pocket for softer pads. Supposed to be for sunglasses or maybe your cell phone, whatever you want to put in here. It's a little bit soft in there. And overall build quality is pretty good on this. It's a nice type of material. You call this like a denim 511 type material. And I like how the zippers are enclosed under here. Keeps the water from getting in there, front and back. I'll give you a view of the front here. There's plenty of little pockets here. You can put your stuff in. And now you're done filling it up, it's going to take a while. Two little sets of these. And zipper compartments in here for your ID or whatever you want to put in there. You can put the zipper like this. Sometimes when you're new like this, you gotta, there you go, work it a little bit. And then main compartment. And do the clasp here. And I keep mine because it's still being put together. Knives, some basic clothing so far. Binoculars. I like redundancy. This is from my sailboat. This is the compass. There's a couple other compasses here. Some rope, some more knives. And then here in the other packet, I have a couple. So we have one Swiss Army, actually two Swiss Army knives, one other knife. Oh, a couple of, one knife with a saw, a laser pointer, 3 whistles, another whistle, a flashlight with military grade with multiple filters so you can change the color, and basic sewing kit so far. I still got to finish it up, but that's where I am putting this all together. Basically, I put all my pieces, say, first aid kit, and of course, more clothing than that, and other things they want to put in there. And I'm also a ham radio operator, so I got to put the rest of the radio in there. Put that in there to get out of the way. And of course, I'll have 2 small cell phones in there. And, it's basically all the things you need if you do have to bug out. I'm in an earthquake zone here, so if you ever have a big, I'm in the northwest, so if you ever have one, you need to go in a hurry, you should have at least something like this. And there's also, you can use these items for everyday use if you need them. And and if you ever go camping, it's pretty well ready for you. Let's put this down there. Some of it overdone. You don't need 3 compasses. So I'll split it among 3 people in the party. There's always 3 in my party. I'll probably put some of this in their backpack, and then I'll load this up with more supplies that you might need. But I wouldn't want to carry too much weight because then it makes it tougher to go if you have to bug out in a hurry. You don't want 80 pounds on your back, so this is more handy. That's why I like this. You know, have the other members of your party have a bag. And with me, it's my family. So we'll each have a backpack, 3 of us, and you know, that way we can split the load up. We don't have to overdo it, you know. But it's well made. I like it. You know, soft material. I don't know if you can see on the, depending on how good the resolution of my video camera and YouTube, the decompression or the compression, how that affects it. This is a good quality material, sturdy. You know, I've had military grade before. This is close to it. It's a cloth material. And what else can I say about the bag? You know, this is a decent bag for it. I got it at Walmart, you know, 29 bucks. And let me see what the capacity of this was. If I can read this while writing it. The capacity is 24.2 liters or 1,475 cubic inches. Color is coyote. I like this kind of color. It's kind of nice. Okay, well that's it for the review. You know, it's a decent bag. A lot of little pockets here and there, which is what you need. And I mean, I got a lot of stuff in there, but nowhere near what's going to go in there. So it'll probably be pretty fat when I'm done with it. Okay, enjoy the video.